We can have some fun with AI by making AI song covers. Now, what those are is that it takes the voice of the singer of the song and replaces it with your voice or any voice that you want for that matter. And the way this is done is using this incredible tool, which is a one-click tool, which is incredible because this is such a complicated procedure, and that's why it's so amazing that it's become a one-click solution. So let me demonstrate what you could do with this. So first of all, as you know, you can take songs that you've made using AI. For example, you know the latest app called Suno and Udio, you can make songs there, and then you can replace those songs with your voice, making them much more unique and spectacular. So to create your voice model, what you do is you click this button here, upload your image here, because you probably want to do this for a few people like yourself, your mother, I don't know, your siblings, your wife, I don't know. Put a picture in there to make it identifiable. Put your name or the singer's name in here, and then the YouTube URL of a 1 minute or 2 minutes roughly of you singing all the way from low pitch all the way to high pitch. Maybe sing happy birthday, and that's basically going to give the AI enough information to create your AI voice model. All you need to do is click this button here, and that's it. It will charge you 50 credits to do this because it's a very long procedure. It takes about half an hour of computering power. Once you've done that, you'll have your voices ready, and then you can choose from your voices and then start creating a song. So if I start with Daniel V3, now it says a song with my voice. This is version 3. I've made a few versions of my voice, and each version could be different. You upload a song, for example, a song made by a robot, which I actually produced using Suno, the AI platform, which you can then create music just by typing, as you can see up here, some text. I just made a little song called This Is Not Really Me Singing. A robot made this song. I just built this app so you can sing along. And then that's basically more or less the lyrics of the song. So let me just go back to where I was before, if I can find it. Okay, so here I am. So I've uploaded the song, and it says here, listen to your original song, a song made by a robot. That's the name of the song. Let's play it.
This is not really me singing, a robot made this song. I just built this app so that you can sing along.
So perfect. That's not me, obviously. It doesn't even sound like my voice at all. I'm British. This is an American voice. So once you've uploaded it, you can then make some choices here. If it's a woman singing the original, you might want to do from female to male. If it's a man singing and you're a woman, you might want to do male to female. But since I'm a male and the singer's a male, I'll leave that as same gender here. Then you can modify the volume of the instrumental. If the result you get is not what you want, usually it should be 0. That should probably work. If the instrumentals are too quiet, you might want to raise this number. If they're too loud, reduce it. Now we're going to click Create Cover Song, and you're going to be absolutely blown away by the result of this. It's going to take the voice that we created using the AI model over here, and then it's going to put my voice to replace this voice, which basically means that I'm now going to become a new famous singer. So even though I'm not such a great singer, this app can actually make me sound really, really good. So once we get the result, we'll actually be able to produce a video of the music, meaning a music video, which is all done on the same page. This page you're seeing right here can do absolutely everything from creating an RVC for you, which you can actually download just by pressing this button here. You can basically have your entire video created on this very page. So this page creates your RVC model, which is your AI voice model. It also takes the song that you want to convert. It will create it using your voice, and then you can create a video using it. So as you can see, we're on 81%. We're almost finished with this procedure, and let me play you the song once it's ready. So we're almost finished, and the song I uploaded here had instrumentals on it. 1 second, sorry about that. The song I uploaded here had instrumentals on it, but it doesn't matter. That's fine. The AI can take care of that for you. So now let's listen to the same song with my voice.
This is not really me singing, a robot made this song.
That's my
I
voice.
just built this app so that you can sing along. All you need to do is upload a 1-minute clip of yourself singing to YouTube, then paste it into the input on the site.
And that's it. Now you can sing all your favorite solo songs and get famous.
Now, after you've got your song and you're happy with it, you can either download the audio only or create an MP4 file. That's what I'm going to do right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up an image of just this image right here, and then I'm going to put that's going to be the image on the background. You can also create a prompt here, like for example, if you want to do if you wanted to type something here, a big fun microphone, and then you can then click on this, and then it will actually create an AI cover image for the video. So as you can see, AI cover Daniel V3 sings a song made by a robot. That's going to be the text on the image. And now this is going to be replaced by the AI image. Once that's done, you click create video, and then it will start creating the MP4 video that you can then upload straight to YouTube. So I'm actually going to upload this right now to the YouTube channel of this Generate YouTube channel, so that you can then see this video, you can watch it, you can watch the result of this video. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and bye for now. Follow us for more.